will get to the bottom of this.
Okay, welcome back. So we're gonna go talk to Snow and see this body. Buffkin!
So, check out anyone who fits that profile. You might start with Bluebeard.
Right away, Miss Snow.
Bluebeard.
Are you ready to examine the body now?
Maybe. I might be.
Oh my goodness, I almost forgot.
Yeah, you did. You better go get me my thingy. The evidence.
Come on.
Order Darien. The Order of the Darians. The Order of the Darians. The Order of the Darians. There's the head. Oh boy. God.
Wow. I didn't realize I've never seen her face before now.
This is weird.
Yeah. The glamour is so effective, it's invasive. But just do what you need to do. Check her mouth. There might be a ribbon in there, like before. Anything?
Nothing.
Can you close her mouth? Thanks.
So last time we were talking to Toad.
But there was nothing in her mouth this time. Do you think it was done by the same person?
Oh yeah.
Did Dr. Swinehart ever get back to you about Faye?
No. He said he wanted to run more tests.
She got your perfume right.
How would she know? How do you know what perfume I wear?
You can't fool this nose.
That's
Also,
right.
I saw the bottle on your desk.
Do you see that?
Could be a bruise.
What is this?
That's weird. I don't wear a brooch like that. Why bother with the right perfume if the appearance isn't completely accurate?
Maybe it really belonged to her. Not part of the glamour.
Looks like something from the homelands. Buffkin, do you recognize these symbols?
No, nothing I've seen before.
Track marks.
She used Bundy drugs?
Looks that way. Pretty heavily, too. I hear they only go for the legs if they've used up the veins in their arms, or if they're trying to hide the marks. Anyway, it means it's not a perfect match to your leg. Unless
Don't be ridiculous.
maybe she was trying to compensate with that perfume.
Wait. If the glamour is supposed to make her look like me, shouldn't it be concealing things like track marks? That brooch, too. Why would it change everything else? I've never seen one this sloppy.
It's possible it's designed not to.
Designed not to hide track marks?
Good point.
The witches upstairs know what they're doing. That's why they cost so much. Unless someone is making glamours illegally?
It's not technically illegal, miss. It's not encouraged for sure, but there aren't any laws specifically forbidding it.
So there's some sort of black market for glamours?
One would assume so. I imagine anyone with access to the proper books and training could theoretically produce a glamour.
Yet another thing to worry about. Black market or not, it's a pretty good match.
Yep.
Look at that. The buttons aren't exact either. There's an extra one here.
Rope marks.
She was tied up.
Yes.
Tied cinder blocks to her ankles, so she would sink.
Oh.
You're right. These buttons are wrong. I wonder.
What?
Snow, I need to open that code.
Bigby, just let me.
You still okay?
Well, I certainly hope you're behaving yourself.
God, I hate you.
What have you found out?
The glamour's defective.
Defective?
Shut
I'm
up.
thinking it's black market. We should really be regulating this kind of thing.
Yes.
We should keep going.
What is that?
She had the perfume with her. Looks like someone picked it out for her.
So, someone gave her instructions. I've seen things like this before. It's definitely magic. The witches don't usually craft objects these days.
I don't think it's wise to fool around with that. It's some kind of black market magic. Who knows what it could do? We should have it looked at. Just to make sure it isn't dangerous. Don't you think?
You may be right. One way to find out.
What?
There's something in here.
How do we open it?
Might want to stand back if you're worried, Crane. I'm gonna try to open it. Something to do with these rings here.
A deer. Deer. It's a deer.
A deer. What is
Woo!
that? Oh,
Her hair.
is that?
It's your hair.
Someone must have taken this from my apartment. I noticed it was missing, but I didn't think. This was the last picture I had of Rose and me. My sister and I don't talk much anymore. Who did this, Bigby?
What? What's going on? Whoa, whoa, what?
She's a troll?
What?
Be kidding me.
Yeah, she's a troll. Can we move on?
Who is she? That wasn't there before. Who do you think she is? I don't know many trolls, I'm afraid.
Should have left them all back in the homelands.
You don't mean that, do you?
Maybe Holly knows.
The owner of the Trip Chat? No, she looks a little... Oh no.
What is it?
It's not Holly, it's her sister Lily. She was reported missing, but I guess it just slipped through the cracks.
We have to go tell Holly.
Right. Who knows? She might know something about this. Who Lily was seeing.
Well, certainly another troll.
We should go.
You can't go out there.
Why not?
It's too dangerous. Someone tried to kill you. Bigby, you can't let her go out there with you. You'd be putting her life at risk.
Bigby is not in charge of me.
You're staying here.
And do nothing like I always do.
You're not coming with me, Snow. I should go.